Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview AquaChek Select Test Strips. What is AquaChek Select Test Strips? AquaChek's Select Test Strips allow pool and spa owners to test their systems for free chlorine, total bromine, pH, total alkalinity, and cyanuric acid. Simply insert the test strip into the pool or spa water for 1 second, and several seconds later you have fast, accurate results. It is recommended that you test your spa before each use and pools a minimum of twice per week to get an accurate picture of the health of your system. Product benefits. Each kit contains 50 test strips, color chart and comparator, and booklet entitled The Complete Guide to Pool and Spa Care. Tests for 7 important chemistries in seconds: total hardness, total chlorine, total bromine, free chlorine, pH, total alkalinity, and cyanuric acid. Usage directions. Step 1. Dip and remove the strip. Step 2. Wait 15 seconds. Step 3. Compare pads to the color chart on the bottle. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.